Hello everyone. If you're dreaming of becoming a TikTok sensation overnight, you've come to the right place. Today I'm going to share some super cool tips on how you can boost your TikTok game and maybe even go viral. First things first, let's talk about your content. What makes a TikTok video stand out? Its originality. Always try to put a unique spin on trending topics. Whether it's a dance, a joke, or a DIY project, make it yours. Think outside the box and don't be afraid to show your quirky side. Now, timing is key. The best time to post on TikTok can vary, but generally evenings and weekends receive the highest engagement. Use the analytics tool in the TikTok app to find out when your followers are most active and try to post during these peak times. Consistency is also crucial. Aim to post at least once a day to keep your audience engaged and looking forward to your next video. Let's not forget about collaboration. TikTok is all about community, and collaborating with other creators can help you reach a wider audience. Find creators who share your interests or style and propose a fun collaboration. This not only doubles your exposure, but also brings fresh content to your followers. Lastly, keep up with the trends, but also predict them. Being an early adopter of a new trend or challenge can set you apart. Watch closely what's gaining traction and jump on it. Add your flavor, and who knows? Your video might be the next big thing on every TikTok user's feed. So gear up your creativity, keep your phone charged, and start creating. Remember, each video is a learning step toward understanding what works best for you and your audience. Keep experimenting, and most importantly, have fun while you're at it. Who knows, the next time I scroll through my TikTok, I might just see one of your videos taking off. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on mastering the digital world. See you in the next video.